Welcome to another behind the scenes look for the hunt at Great Oak. This time we're looking at the Groundbreaker zombies. These zombies were made using spray foam insulation that was sprayed up into each of their masks that were purchased from Amazon, using eyes that were painted by me and inserted prior to the spray foam. The base was built up using the spray foam insulation. The hands were made using spray foam insulation as well, and hand painted. The way that the mud was done was a flat matte coat of black was sprayed onto the spray foam insulation after it hardened, and then it was coated with clear Elmer's glue, covered with mulch, and then a 50-50 solution of Elmer's glue and water was sprayed on top of that and allowed to dry. Once everything was set, underneath each head is a PVC pipe that a hole was drilled up into the heads, and a PVC pipe was inserted into that hole using Gorilla Glue to secure it in place. So anyway, thanks for watching the behind the scenes look for the zombie Groundbreakers, and go make something.